3D printing has evolved significantly, as has the software for creating 3D models. In 2025, there are many software options available for both beginners and experienced users. This guide helps you find the right software for your 3D printing projects by examining popular options, their features, requirements, and unique capabilities. The guide covers 8 top 3D modeling software. Tinkercad is beginner-friendly, allowing users to create models using basic shapes. It's simple and free, but may not suffice for complex designs. ZBrush excels in creating detailed organic models favored by character artists and includes features for preparing models for printing, though it has a steep learning curve. SolidWorks is ideal for precise engineering models with parametric design capability, but can be expensive and challenging for newcomers. Autodesk 3ds Max is versatile across industries like film and gaming, offering high-accuracy modeling with a modifier stack, but is expensive and complex. Cinema 4D stands out for its accessibility and user-friendly interface, suitable for creating complex designs, yet it may not offer the best tools for printing. Autodesk Maya is widely used for film and animation, known for producing smooth shapes, but it has a high learning curve and cost. SHAPR 3D is unique for its touch and pencil interface, allowing precise modeling on mobile devices. Rhino enables complex surface modeling and has powerful parametric tools, but may be too advanced for beginners. FreeCAD is free and great for mechanical design and architecture. For free 3D modeling software, Blender is the top contender. It has many tools for creating intricate models and a large online community for support, making learning easier. Even though it can be complicated for new users, it allows for the creation of complex models without cost. For software specifically good for 3D printing, Autodesk Fusion 360 is recommended. It is designed for product manufacturing with an emphasis on precise measurements and includes features for testing and preparing designs for printing. While it comes at a cost, it is user-friendly compared to other professional options. To choose the right 3D modeling software, consider your skill level, the complexity of your projects, your budget, special features relevant to your needs, and your computer's capability to run the software. In conclusion, when selecting the best 3D modeling software, consider your specific needs and skills. Each software has its strengths and weaknesses and plays a vital role in the creation of 3D designs. The right choice can enhance your creative journey and effectiveness in bringing your ideas to life. Facts highlight that Tinkercad is often seen as the easiest 3D modeling software for beginners. Autodesk 3ds Max is the most commonly used software in the industry, holding the largest market share, but that may vary by application.